I'm really pleased how my little shelter held up during the recent storm here in Ireland. That allows me to continue on now and strip down all these items off the bulkhead and inner wings. This video will be as much for me as it is for you, because I'll probably use it for locating everything when it comes to reassembly. I'll remove this intake box for the interior heater, but first the little bleed pipe from the cooling system has a screw on the inside here. I'm going to have a lot of screws and clips to keep track of, so I think I'll start a jar and put them all in and keep them in a box with the bits and pieces that I'm taking off. Bendy drive useful today. You know the Sonos Scion with its Moss air intake filter? Well, Talbot were way ahead of that game. This is all the extra soundproofing I had in for the diesel engine. I'm going to remove it now. There was all just old domestic stuff that's leftovers from the house. I need to get out a few bolts from the inside here. So we'll scrap that anyway and get back to original. That silver insulation kind of appeals to my inner space cadet. Don't worry, it's going. My current thinking is to leave the hydraulic system of the brakes intact and let it get sprayed, and then replace it pipe by pipe afterwards, so I'm not actually going to rebuild the whole system. I don't have to map it all out then. It's out enough from the bodywork that I should be able to get paint in behind it, which would be a good enough finish for the engine bay. So, but I am going to remove the booster so I can get in behind that. Tight enough in here. look at the brake servo, pedal box. I'll remove the wiper system now. That was better than I thought it was going to be. There are all the negatives. Oh, earth there. finally getting a clear view of what I'm going to have to work on.